I'm gonna be making a very healthy green smoothie. You can do this one for lunch or an evening snack. Whatever you like to make it is up to you, but it's just really healthy and amazing. First of all, I'm going to be using some coconut milk right here. This is a coconut milk, basically tropical. You can get this one in the local shop or the supermarket. This is very good in, like, if you want to, you know what I mean, if you're a person who allergic to like if you're allergic to milk, ordinary milk, but you know what I mean, this is the something which is really good to use in a lot of different things. All right, the coconut milk right here, it's got sugar, got everything in it. It's just, you know what I mean, amazing. Yeah, you can get this in the local shop or your supermarket to buy, and it's just very, very good. Now I'm going to put roughly about quarter cup of it inside of it. Make sure you give it a shake first before you pour it out. All right, about quarter cup. Nice one. So I will put that in the description box, or you can go on my Instagram where most of my recipe are. Now I'm going to put a finger of ripe banana inside of it, just like this. Secondly, I got some avocado which I'm going to be using, but the avocado will be only half. All right, look at that beautiful avocado, nice and lovely. All right guys, if you have a good blender, it come in really handy. Please don't use sharp knife if you know what you're doing, but it's better for you to use a table knife for your avocado. All right, now thirdly, I will put in some seeds. This is some chia seed, very good. So I'm gonna put roughly about a teaspoon of it. Superfood, very good. Chia seed, superfood. Secondly, I'm going to put some protein powder. This is vanilla flavor. I'm gonna put just 2 teaspoons of the protein powder. And not only that, low in fat, low in sugar, high in vitamin B6, so it's very good. Protein powder. I'm gonna put some ice. And now I'm going to put some spinach inside of it, roughly about, gonna be 1, 2, nice lovely 3 handful of spinach inside of it. A little bit more ice. If you like, you can also put a teaspoon of organic honey inside of it. I'm just gonna cover it just like this, and we're going to lastly, what we're going to do is taste it and see what flavor I get from it. Alright guys, let's taste it. Wow, it's amazing. It tastes really nice, but to be honest, it will be doing really well with roughly about another teaspoon of honey. I'm using organic honey, which is really good. Alright, I put some ice in between. I was blending. Alright, let's taste it now to see. Perfect. I like that. Really nice. I love it. Amazing. Anyway, let's share it up, guys. It's just fantastic. Nice and lovely. That's my glass. And this is what's going to happen. Right now, look at that, guys. Fantastic and amazing. That is just lovely and nice. Alright, if you like it, please leave your comments. Alright, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show, and I will see you next time in the kitchen. And this is just amazing, something which you can have in the morning for breakfast. See you next time. Bye bye. Beautiful one. This is going to be a healthy, very healthy green smoothie. So first thing what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about 1/4 cups of water in the blender, ice, and also we got some fresh mint. I'm just gonna break off a few leaves and put it straight inside of it. Also we got some spinach, roughly a handful of spinach, straight inside of it. And also we got some cucumber. And we'll have some green apple. Nice one. So I'm gonna be using 2 medium-sized green apple. And all I have to do is just cut them and chop them in straight inside of it. Also we'll have some ginger. I'm using the grounded ginger. Definitely gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. Lemon or lime. I'm using half of a lime or lemon. Alright guys. Organic honey, 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna take this to the blend for about 2 to 3 seconds. Depends on the kind of blender which you guys are using. Alright. Now, as you can see, all my ingredients inside of that lovely blender. What you're gonna do is just blend it for one. So yeah, this is what's gonna happen. Smell really nice. As you can smell that lovely fresh mint. It's a bit frothy. It's pretty good. Beautiful smoothie to have in this time, guys. It's just amazing. All right, please enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.